Hello everyone. In this video, I want to tell you about the new model proposed by Stability AI, Stable Cascade. This model is very interesting to several titles, because it generates images on a very good quality in less time, and would be less greedy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, let's go. Stable Cascade is a new text-to-image model released by Stability AI, the creator of Stable Diffusion. It features higher image quality and better text generation. It is a model that rivals the SDXL model. Stable Cascade is not a Stable Diffusion model. It is based on an entirely different version architecture, and it is released under a non-chimerical use license. Stable Cascade has the same native image size, 1024 by 1024, as the SDXL model. So why do we need another text-to-image model? Let's find out. Like the SDXL model, Stable Cascade is doing reasonably well in generating legible text. I would rate Stable Cascade better in rendering text. The official user study deems Stable Cascade's images better than SDXL. They all look pretty decent in my test. Again, quoting Stability study, Stable Cascade is slightly better at following the prompt than SDXL. The press release claims that Stable Cascade is faster than SDXL. For me, I do not see it when I test it in ComfyUI. Their speeds are about the same. This area remains to be proven, but the argument sounds compelling. Because of the model design, we only need to fine-tune the Stage C model to achieve a custom style or control mat. SDXL is notoriously difficult to train. Stable Cascade has the potential to change that. So what is Stable Cascade? The Stable Cascade model is based on the version architecture. The image generation goes through a three-stage process: Stage C, Stage B, and Stage A. What about Stable Cascade on ComfyUI? ComfyUI has native support for Stable Cascade. We will use ComfyUI, a node-based Stable Diffusion GUI. For that, we have to update ComfyUI. Yes, every time you try to run a new workflow, you may need to do some or all of the following steps. Install ComfyUI Manager if you don't have it. Install missing nodes if you have a red alert. Update everything by clicking Update All. You will go to this page. It's a Hugging Face page. I put the link in description. You will download the two important models. For that, click on the download arrow. And then, you will deposit them in the checkpoint folder of your ComfyUI or where you have your checkpoint. Now let's see some example of Stable Cascade. We are going to go to this page. This is a basic text-to-image workflow. All we have to do is to drag and drop the image to ComfyUI. We don't have to download all images. Just drag or load them on ComfyUI to get the workflow. All is embedded in the image. As we can see, this is the Sage C. We make sure to have the right model checkpoint for the Sage. The model that we have downloaded in Hugging Face page as I showed. Then, the same thing in Stage B. And finally, we have the Stage A. Make sure to have the right model checkpoint for Sage B. Here we have our positive prompt. And here the negative one. The latent generator phase, Stage C, transforms the user inputs into compact 24 by 24 latents. The default compression of 42 means that the width and height of the Stage C latent are 1024 divided by 42. After generating, let's take a few minutes for the first time. And then we can see the image on Stage C. Then a compact 24 by 24 image latents that are passed along to the latent decoder phase. And this is the image generated on Stage B. And here's Stage A, the final stage after upscaling the image. It's the final output quality. Now after downloading the Stage B and C models, and having put them in ComfyUI and the checkpoints model, for Stage A is simply the VAE and is packaged in the Stage B model. We are going to review everything we saw through an example. Let's talk about Stage C. Stage C is a sampling process. This stage sets the global composition of the image. It is like Stable Diffusion's denoising steps in the latent space. A noise predictor denoise a random latent image conditioned by the text prompt. It stays as a latent. No VE decoder is applied. The output of Stage C is a latent capturing the global composition of the image. Unlike Stable Diffusion, this latent won't be decoded to a pixel image, but instead used as a conditioning at Stage B. What about Stage B? Stage B is again a sampling process. So we have two sampling modules in Stable Cascade. Stage B is responsible for filling in fine details in the latent space. It is like the refiner model in the SDXL. It uses stage C's output and the text prompt as the conditioning and the denoising process. And finally, stage A. Stage A applies the VE decoder to convert the latent image into a pixel image. This process is similar to Stable Diffusion's VE decoder. We must also know that there is some settings for Stable Cascade. Seed value. There are two seed values, stages B and C, and Stable Cascade. You should change stage C's seed value for a new image. Changing stage B's seed value has almost no effect. This is because stage C sets the global composition. Stage B is only responsible for filling in details. Let's try some prompt for testing generating legible text. I zoom in the positive prompt. I keep the same. I only change the text to display to see what it does. It complies with the instructions, but I expect better. So let's make a little modification. We want a cat woman with meow in the text. Let's see what we have. It is clear that the text was not respected. Maybe because he didn't understand the meaning. So let's make some sins in our text. Let's put hello world. The generation time still remains quite long. So let's make some sins in our text. Let's put hello world and red ears to test prompt following. Let's go for one last test. We put see you soon for the text. And red ears for some aspect modification to also test prompt following. We clearly see the process in 3 steps. It takes time during the stage C and B. It's look good. We have red ears. Not all the ear, but it took into account the idea and the text is well respected. As for the generation time for an image of 1024, we see that it is quite fast. For me who in front of the machine, I can assure that there is no sound of fans. So that all for Stable Cascade. The most important thing to know is that the workflow starts with sampling in stage C and is followed by stage B with another sampling. Finally, the latent is converted into a pixel image by an VE decoder. Stage A. The VE decoder is packaged in the stage B model. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, keep in touch.